What you doing?
I doing that.
Oh, who's that? Who's that, Dolly? Who's that?
That's Jordana.
Oh, what's Jordana doing?
She's playing with Jonah.
She's playing with her Jonah? Are they having a nap?
They're having a nap.
Aww, do they love each other? The brother and the sister? The Jonah and the Jordana, they love each other?
They're just sleeping.
Oh, they're very tired.
Very tired. Do you want to go? They're sleeping. They were sleeping. Their grandma and grandpa.
They're sleeping at their grandma and grandpa's house?
Yeah.
Oh, where's the grandma and the grandpa? Where are they?
They're down. They're right there.
Let me see. Show me.
They're right there.
Show me. I don't see. Is that the grandpa?
Grandma's sitting there. Grandma's sitting there. And Grandpa now.
Oh, and little Jonah and Jordana are visiting with their grandma and grandpa?
They're sleeping. You want a blanket. You want a blanket.
Okay, can you look at Mommy for a second? Can you say bye-bye? I'm going to go back to my playing. Jordana. But I can't see your face. Let me see your face. Now say bye-bye. I'm going to go back to my playing.
Bye-bye. I go back to my playing.
Yeah, because I'm making a movie of your playing. I made a movie of your playing. Is that nice?
Yes.
Okay. Bye-bye.